1992 Craft Nautique XL with Barefoot Nautique graphics. This is a XL that we have redone and repowered, and so let's walk through it. Main blue stripe, charcoal top stripe, light gray hull and deck, white pinstripes, and white Barefoot Nautique graphic on it. We've wet sanded the boat and fully updated all the gel coat and the graphics. The trailer is a factory Craft tandem. New wheels and tires, fresh brakes all the way around, fresh bearings, lights have been updated, and then the coupler on the front has been replaced as well. All step boards have been replaced, and then carpeted bunks have been updated as well. Also new boards on the crash pads. Installed a new rub rail. Come around the transom here and take a look at it. '92, they received a grab handle on the back. Actually, I think that's an option for that year. We cleaned up the transom. It has no speedo pickups or anything. All GPS speedos inside, and then single exhaust. We're running an Acme 1417 prop. This is a 14 by 20 inch pitch. Port side looks equally as beautiful. All right, let me pop my shoes off and we'll hop inside the Barefoot Nautique. I keep calling it a barefooter, but it's actually an XL. So that'll be labeled BFN for a Barefoot Nautique, but this one's an XL. All right, here we are on the transom. So the sun pad has been reskinned at some point, and even that one has starting to see some wear. But as we step in the side, beautiful back seat, original graphic, original stitching. Looks really nice. 92's also received cup holders right there at the back seat. Come around to covers in there. Looks like I have a leaf in there. I need to get that leaf out of there. 92's also received the recessed glove box in the dash. So the deck was reformed to have a molded in glove box instead of the chintzy plastic one that sits on top. Nice teak stripes out the middle. We've replaced all of the gauges and updated them. 2 GPS speedos. The GPS speedos are acting up right now. They're trying to find GPS signal. When they're up like this, they're finding it. When they drop down to 0, that means they found it. And depth finder, and then the boat has focus 1,010 hours on the actual boat. All right, let's get to the actual prize here, which is the engine. Optional for this year. I'm sure it wasn't that noisy when it was brand new. Was the powered actuator. Standard was twin gas shocks. .2 liter direct injection, 1-to-1 transmission, and a 1.48 gear reduction. So 450 horsepower, and runs the boat nicely out to 59 miles per hour. I'm sure a little tweaking, you could actually get to 60. Relocated the battery for better balance on the port side. Transom. Relocated the water pickup for at the back. And that way we were able to run the exhaust underneath the stringer, or underneath the motor next to the stringer, and then S it out the back to run the factory location. And then very last thing, our boom mount that we came up with, it's sandwiched on the main stringer there, but you're able to add a boom to this easily. It goes out starboard side and get you in front of the spray. These have wicked spray that come off the side, so it's a nice addition. You can pull the pin right there and pull it out, and then remove the pylon if you'd like. Fresh steering cable, everything's been gone through. It's a very nice barefoot Nautique. If you have any questions about this or any other barefoot Nautique that we've done, give us a call at N3 Boatworks, 317-845-9253.